Hey, let me show you how you can perform the hard reset of your Sony WH-1000XM3 headphones. So first of all, we have to power off our headphones by using this power button, this one. So click and hold it until this indicator turns like that. Next, when our headphones are turned off, we have to use two buttons combination, the power button and the noise cancellation ambient button. So click and hold these two buttons together and keep holding until this indicator blinks for a few times blue. There we go. Right now you can release both buttons, and when you turn on your headphones by holding the power button, they will move to the pairing mode automatically. As you can hear, the Bluetooth is pairing, the indicator is blinking, and right now, as you can see, we've got the new pairing request. So it means that our previously connection just disappear and we can set up our device one more time. So that's all, bye bye.